Hello people, we are here today to test, try, and reveal this beauty Tineco. We bought the mop and dry one and we are so excited to try it. Let's see if it will help us with a little baby. We need to keep the floor clean because now he's crawling, so you know, right? I'm so excited. I've heard so many things about it, but let's have our own opinion. It has to charge for at least 4 hours when it arrives. What's your first impression?
It works really well. It is mopping and vacuuming at the same time for sure. And as soon as you turn it on, you can feel that it is quite strong and you can feel it trying to move by itself. Like it goes forward a little bit. And then when you are using it, if you're going forward, you can definitely feel that it's going a little bit by itself. So it helps you a lot.
Now is my turn to try it. I know we have to press the button turn on, and we are using the mod automatic, so it mops and it vacuums at the same time, but it has only vacuum, of course, and I'm not quite sure. I have to double check if they have only mop, but you know, mop and vacuum at the same time, it's like basically what we want, right? So yeah, but they have the dry mode. I mean, only vacuum if you want to, if you don't want to mop or use on a carpet or something like that.
Auto mode.
Found it here. You change the modes and they have only suction, and you can just, use as a regular vacuum. Now we had to stop because it said it was dirty and we have to clean. Whoa, let's see how we can do it.
Charging. Checking cleanliness. Please start self-cleaning. Heated self-cleaning and heated drying are about to start. Heated self-cleaning has started. Sucking the brush roller.
On the back of the vacuum, you can remove the sound of it, but we like that she is talking to us, kind of. And we remove everything after we clean the house, so we can let it dry. My final review. Yes, super approved. High quality, it cleans well. First time trying, it was easy. Some disadvantages, in my opinion, at least two. It's cleaning right now and it's saying that it needs 5 more minutes, but it needed my help. I mean, empty the tank, after cleaning. So it has a bit of manual job still. I know it's expected, but like for me in my busy life, I don't know how I will do it, like in my daily life with the baby, like when I clean it, you have to separate some time to clean it properly because you have to go there and clean and move and go. Yeah. And the second thing is that going under, sometimes it's a bit heavy, but like it's just like 2 points of kind of disadvantage and 10,000 advantage. So if you buy it, check it out. The link I will leave in the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my other reviews and routine and life around the world. And bye.